books about fermentation, like and follow. Here's back to the series about books about fermentation. Fermentation Revolution, and today I'm talking about a book that I own translated, which is the only one, because usually I own books that are in English and in German, but the original of Fermentation Revolution by Sébastien and David Côté is in French, and my French is just not good enough to understand all the fermentation language, the specific language for fermentation. This is a book that is full of everything, but why I also bought this book next to all the other books I have that cover everything is because it's not so thick, it's thinner, and it's really a great overview about different sorts of fermentation. And when I say everything, I mean everything. There's tempeh, there's sourdough, there's beverages, there's meat, apple ciders, there's fruit, there's even black garlic, corn, sauerkraut, and there's also an introduction like in every other good book. And yes, because this is so short with everything, I really enjoy this book. Everything you need to know about fermentation? Well, yes, but it's not overwhelming, and I really like that. If you have read the French version and maybe also the English version, I would love to know if you think it translated well, because I did enjoy everything in here in English. It's funny too. They write in a way that's funny, and I like to laugh about little things. And I was wondering if they hit the spot when they translated that. I would assume they did. So this is a thin book with everything, and it's also a good book to start your fermentation journey with.